sige, ibahin na lang po natin, no? Gawin nating supplies, no? Halimbawa, pagkain. Supplier ng pagkain, no?
Opo.
Okay. Ano yung pwedeng tanggalin doon? Let's say, the supplier's name. Let's say, ABC Catering. Pwedeng tanggalin?
Opo.
Okay, tanggalin natin, no? Yung location ho, yung business address po ni ABC Catering. Let's say, ground floor, Multinational Bank Corporation Center, 6805, Ayala Avenue, Makati City. Pwedeng tanggalin?
Hindi naman po confidential yung mismong establishment na nagkuan nun eh. Yung, ang kinakadit po dito, pinanggamitan. And doon po sa resibo na yon, hindi naman po siya confidential information.
No, just answer the question, no? So,
Ask and answer,
hindi ho
Your Honor.
pwedeng hindi tanggalan yung address ng supplier ng pagkain.
Kasi
Ask
po,
and answered, Your Honor.
Asked and answered.
Not yet, Your Honor. Not
Counsel
yet.
asked and answered because
It's
she
ask
said.
and answered.
So, ang
she
answer
said
nyo ho
that,
doon ay hindi.
Counsels, please. She said that when it pertains to the purchase of supplies, food, medicines, shares, if at all, computers, the name of the entity where they purchased it is not confidential. Pero kung saan ginamit yon, kung sinong pinagbigyan, sinong pinakain, saan pinakain, yun yung confidential. Tama ba, Celine?
opo, tama po.
So, yung invoice o resibo ng pagkain, medical supplies, kailangan may resibo. Yan ang interpretasyon mo ng joint circular.
Opo, para ma-ascertain namin na talagang ginamit yon for purchases of supplies, food, and medicines po.
So, sa bagay nito, ulitin ko, sa pananaw mo, sa interpretasyon mo, sa ginamit mong pag-audit, kapag ka supplies, hindi ka tatanggap ng other adequate document, resibo talaga hanapin mo.
Opo, para mapatunayan na pinambili po talaga to ng supplies.
And this is the same standard you're applying to other government agencies, not only the OVP and the DepEd.
Opo.
You may proceed, Counsel.
Okay. So, sinabi, pagkain ho yung example natin, no? So, sino ho ba dapat ang may alam kung confidential dapat ang information? Si COA ho ba o si agency? Who is in a better position to know whether confidential an information is confidential?
Pwede pong pakiulit yung tanong?
Okay.
Question is vague, Your Honor.
Sige, okay. Example, pagkain. No, pagkain. Okay. Kung kami ho agency, sa tingin namin dapat confidential yung supplier namin kasi baka lasunin, baka may matunton, no? Matuntunton yung supplier namin. Tapos tinanggal namin yung address. Tinanggal namin yung ibang details doon, sinabit namin sa COA. No? Acceptable pa rin ho ba sa COA 'yon?
Hindi naman po confidential yung mismong
Sa
supplier.
inyo ho, pero po kung sa
Ask and answered, Your Honor.
okay.
Hindi naman confidential yun.
Asked and answered. Don't argue with the witness, Counsel.
Okay, yes, Your Honor. So sa tingin nyo, hindi confidential yon, pero maaaring sa agency, confidential ho yun. Para sa kanila.
Argumentative, Your Honor. Ask and answered. It is not confidential.
Move on to the next point,
Your
Counsel.
Honor, I'm asking for possibility, Your Honor.
There is already ruling from the presiding officer.
Move to the next point, Counsel.
Okay, so in short, kayo ho yung nagde-decide ngayon kung ano ho yung confidential na information at hindi. Kasi sinabi nyo ho, sa tingin nyo, hindi naman siya confidential.
Misleading, Your Honor.
Hindi ho.
Witness may answer.
Yes.
Kasi nga po yung pinaggamitan, hindi naman po yung nag-provide.
Okay, so okay lang na ma-expose yung supplier sa instance na yon, no? Okay lang na malagay yung
Your Honor,
address ng
please.
ABC.
Again, this is already argumentative.
Asked
This-
and answered, Counsel, and
ask and answered.
Yes,
argumentative.
we
There
take
is nothing confidential about where you buy
Asked and answered,
supplies.
Counsel,
Your Honor, please,
whether
this
you
line of
agree or not,
questioning-
whether you agree with that with the answer of Celine, that was the answer she gave.
Continuing objection, Your Honor. If it will apply again to medicines, if it will apply again to supplies,
We will
chairs
not
and
be-
tables, we will have a continuing objection
not yet
to
there,
this
Counsel.
line
We're not-
of questioning, Your Honor.
We're not yet there, Counsel.
Okay. So you
Attorney
are
Christine,
saying
you may proceed.
Yes po. Your Honor, thank you po. So you are saying the COA is in a better position to judge whether an information is confidential or not. Wala akong karapatan sa agency.
Argumentative,
Nick,
Your Honor.
with
Excuse me,
regard to the food, Your Honor, we are on the example of the supplier of food. Okay, sa instance ho na yan, sa tingin nyo, hindi ho siya confidential, di ba ho? So kayo ho yung mas nakakaalam na ito, mas you are in a better judgment sa bagay ho na yan.
Kasi po dun sa food po, yung tao mismo na bumili, yun yung confidential. Ganun po. Hindi po
Hindi ho
yung...
yan yung tanong ko eh. Okay,
The
yung
question is
tanong,
vague, Your Honor.
yung tanong,
Please. The
Silene.
question is vague.
Silene, ang tanong sa iyo ay may karapatan ba yung ahensya magsabi na ito confidential? Kayo lang ba ang may karapatan? Kasi I can actually answer. Tell me if you agree. You review the submissions of the agencies. Correct?
Opo.
Pag may observation kayo, mag-AUM kayo, and they can say, hindi, confidential to. And then you can agree or disagree, correct?
Based on the evaluation po ng magiging response nila.
And given the difference in the notice of suspension and notice of disallowance, as pointed out by counsel earlier, na may mga tinanggal na kayo, may mga binawas kayo, di ba?
Opo.
Kasi napaliwanag nila.
Opo.
So, minsan sinasabi nila sa unang tingin mo, hindi confidential to, biglang nagpaliwanag sila, confidential yon, binawas nyo o binabawas nyo.
Opo, based po sa evaluation ng response nila. Kung na-answer na po nila yung issues raised dun sa AOM or sa
Na-answer or napaliwanag nila o nakumbinsi kayo na confidential ito. Therefore, hindi kailangan ng resibo o invoice.
Opo.
Tama? But
Opo.
your determination is anyway appealable, if at all, to the Supreme Court, the Commission of the Supreme Court.
Pag yung sa COA po, opo, pag may decision, may remedy pa po na umakyat sa Supreme Court.
Yes. Okay, counsel, move on.
so in short, no, sa sagot mo na yan, ibig sabihin, kayo talaga yung nagde-determine na ito, hindi dapat to confidential. Kasi nga, kagaya nung supplies, medicine, and food. Yun po yung naging basis ninyo ng ND ninyo, di ba po?
Your Honor, please, I think this was the question itself of the presiding officer.
Already
Ask and
answered,
answer.
counsel.
Yeah, the
Already
answer is,
answered.
we want to put it on record, Your Honor. The answer. Ano
Ask
yung...
and answer, Your
Already
Honor.
answered. She agrees, counsel.
She agrees.
She
So,
already agrees.
okay. So, they will... Okay, I'll move on, Your Honor.
Can we move on, Your Honor?
Now, Ms. Celine, who determines the safeguard to be implemented in order to secure the success of an agency's confidential operations? Part ba ho yun ng audit ninyo? Na kung ano yung mga hindi dapat dinadivulge or dinadivulge ng agency? Part ho ba ng ICFA audit yun? With regard to their confidential operations?
Your Honor, again, this is ask and answer.
No, Your Honor.
By
I
rephrasing
object,
the
Your Honor.
question, Your Honor, by rephrasing
This
the
is a
question.
different question.
Kindly
Counsel, can I-
wait for counsel for the prosecutors. Yes, Attorney Kapunin.
Your Honor, these are the same questions rephrased differently, Your Honor. Ask and answer.
It is not, Your Honor. Kasi nga kanina,
What is
The
your-
presiding
who
officer,
determines whether...
the court will allow it. Attorney Celine, please answer.
Pwede pong pakiulit.
Okay, ulitin ko po
Sabi ko na.